Hi everyone, my name is Mattie Kantor and I am one of the 2020 kids from Wisconsin. I am so excited to be here with the rest of our Realize Your Dream team every Friday to help inspire your dreams for the performing arts while staying safe at home. As you can probably guess, I absolutely love performing. I started Irish dance when I was 5 years old and I've loved it ever since. In fact, if you saw the 2018 Kids from Wisconsin show, you might have actually seen me doing a little bit of Irish dance in our closer. Irish dance is so cool, and not that many people know about it, so I thought I'd talk a little bit about it and teach you a little bit. Irish dance comes from Ireland, as you might have guessed, and if you know anything about Irish dance, you know that your arms stay at your sides the entire time. Way back when in Ireland, people weren't actually allowed to dance, so they had to be creative with it. They all had doors on their barns, houses, that only came up halfway, about to their waist. So they realized that if they kept their arms at their sides while they danced, it just looked like they were jumping up and down, not actually dancing. So when guards came to check, they couldn't tell. So that's where the arms at your sides comes from. Another thing you might know about Irish dance is that all the girls have curly hair. Now these are actually wigs, but it comes from a tradition in Ireland. Once dance was actually allowed again, it would be something that all the kids would do on Sunday after church. So all the girls would be dressed up in their Sunday best with their hair nice and curled, and they would dance. Come on outside. Alright, so now that you know a little bit about Irish dance and you've seen a little Irish dance, I'm going to teach you some. Alright, so for the purposes of this video, I'm going to mirror you. If you don't know what that means, that's totally fine, don't worry about that. If you know what it means, awesome. So, first thing I want you to do, you're going to put your arms by your sides and bring your feet turned out, heels together. If you've done any ballet, this is kind of like your first position. So, you're going to start by taking your right foot and you're going to point it out in front of you. And now, you're going to take that right foot, you're going to bring it up, and you're going to stomp on it. Awesome. Now, the biggest thing about this is make sure that when you stomp on your right foot, you're lifting your left foot up. All your weight is on your right foot. So again, from your pointed toe, you have stomp. Great. Now, you're going to take your left foot and just step back onto your left foot. So, all of that together so far is you have point your right foot, you've got stomp, step. Great. Let's try that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, step. Perfect. Now, you just finished your step. All your weight is on your left foot. You're going to take your right foot, you're going to brush it out and brush it back. Great, let's try that again. Just the brushes. You're standing on your left foot, you take your right foot across your body, you brush it out to the front and back to the side. Perfect. All right, all of that together. 5, 6, 7, stomp, step, brush, brush. Great, you just did your brush, brush. Your right foot is up in the air behind you, and now you're just going to take a hop on your left foot. Hop. That's all it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hop. And then you're going to put your right foot down behind you. Great. So, from the 2 brushes, we're going to go brush, brush, hop, back. Perfect. So, everything we've learned so far. You are going to start with your feet out. Remember, arms at your sides. 5, 6, 7, bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Awesome. Now you're going to reverse it. Do the same thing on your left foot. Bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Great. Now again, on your right foot. Bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. here's where it gets a little different. You already know what you're about to do. So we've been doing bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Now, all I want you to do is your brush, brush, hop, back. Okay? So with your left foot, you're going to do your brush, brush, hop, back, and then again on your right foot. Brush, brush, hop, back. That's the whole thing. Now, I know that was kind of a lot, so we're going to do it very slowly all together. Okay? So, feet back, heels together, arms at your sides. 5, 6.7, 8. Bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Bang, step, brush, brush, hop, back. Brush, brush, hop, back. Brush, brush, hop, back. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you had lots of fun. Once again, my name is Mattie Kantor with the 2020 Kids from Wisconsin, and we hope to see you in our 2021 audiences. Thank you so much for supporting us by watching our Dream Team videos. For more information about who we are and what we do, visit kidsfromwisconsin.org. We hope you'll join us every Friday for our Dream Team videos. Be sure to share your pictures, videos, and of course, dreams with us.